Hi guys, back on the Peugeot Partner today. Just gonna, well, the weather's nice, we're just gonna paint the boot jump up. So let's get on with that a minute before it starts raining again. I've got this one coat paint. So primes and coats at the same time. So we're gonna paint these areas, put a little bit of matte on this area, paint the drawer front, this. I'm not going to bother painting the bits that are covered with cushions and that because, well, why would you? It's not worth it. I might paint the inside of there, I'm not really sure really, but I'm not going to paint the sides. Right, let's get on with it. Yeah, I've not filled any of the screw holes or anything because, you know, I might want to in the future take it apart or something, so probably not a good idea. So I'm just going to leave them like that, a rustic look. By the way, thanks to everyone who's subscribed. I just can't believe it. We've already got over 1,000 subscribers. Absolutely brilliant. That's just fantastic. Can't wait to get this little beauty out on the road and share some adventures with you. It'll be really good, guys. So thanks so much for everyone who subscribed. So we're looking so far. Not bad, is it? That's alright. Yeah, I quite like that. It's a nice colour as well. Sort of goes with the colour of the vehicle anyway, really. And I'm looking at cushions, the same sort of colour to match. But we'll get back to that another time because I'm looking at just buying them. I was going to make them, but you sort of think for what it's worth, if you could just buy some really nice cushions, it would make the van, wouldn't it? It would really set it off rather than sort of bodge it myself, because I've got absolutely no sewing skills or anything like that. So yeah, we'll see about that. It's looking alright, isn't it? Also got to paint the tabletop. I don't know with the tabletop whether to round these corners off. I might round them off with a jigsaw first before painting them actually. Just put some bits of paper under there so I can paint that little strip without getting it all over the place. I've already got a bit of paint there, but I can always wipe that off with a bit of isopropyl alcohol and it. I might paint this top bit just because I think it's necessary, but I don't think it's necessary to paint the back, but just this bit. And obviously I'll leave the floor because there's a bit of matte I've got to go in there. Painting this drawing. I'm tempted not to. Oh, do I paint in the drawer or not? Tempted not to. A, because I hate painting, and B, because it's going to get all stuffed up anyway with stuff in it, so it's pretty pointless really. So I might just leave that. So that's where we're at. It's alright, isn't it? Just to know whether to chop these corners back on this table a bit with a jigsaw. So they're more rounded as it's a table, otherwise I'd be catching myself on it and that, wouldn't I? Yeah, I suppose I'd better do that. Right. Right, there we go. So that's all painted up. Like I say, I haven't filled the screw holes in case I ever need to take it off. But I don't think when you're building a camper and that, it's really necessary to worry about screw holes. I'm not a perfectionist. Like I say, all that's going to be covered with foam, like mattress anyway, so you're never going to see any of that up there. You might see this bit, because that's why I've painted it. That's going to have a mat in it. Inside the drawer, I'm just going to leave that there because there's going to be stuff in it. It's going to get knocked about. It's just going to ruin the paint anyway, so why bother? I can always come back to it in the future if I ever decide to do it. So there we go, that was a quick video of me just painting up the boot jump. Probably going to wait for it to dry now and do the switches on the back door release switches in the next video. I'll probably do it as 2 separate videos, make it a bit shorter. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to do the switches in the next video, give the paint a bit of time to dry before I start drilling holes and everything like above it and that. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks very much for liking and subscribing and commenting. I really appreciate it. It really helps the channel. Blown away by how many people have subscribed already. Well over 1,000 subscribers now, which is just blown my mind basically. So thanks so much guys. See you on the next video. Thank you.